हम जब आए हैं तो राइटर्स की ऐसी पोजीशन थी कि ना तो उसको बिलिंग मिलती थी, नाम भी नहीं आता था उसका, ना उसको बराबर पैसे मिलते थे, और पैसे मांगने के लिए उसको कोई रीज़न बताना पड़ता था कि बिजली का बिल भरना है, मकान का किराया देना है, सर वो बेटी की शादी है, एंड ही यूज्ड टू बी वेरी apologetic about it,
right,
asking for money. Why should we? I mean, you have committed a certain amount,
right,
and you should break it down and give us.
Hey guys, in today's episode of Banterman Bhatt, I'm going to talk about the role of writers in Bollywood. There was a time in Bollywood where writers had a clout, writers were valued and were actually paid well. But over time, all this vanished in Bollywood. The duo of Salim Javed, which is Salim Khan and Javed Akhtar, are arguably the best and definitely the most powerful writers ever to exist in Bollywood. Sholay, Zanjeer, Diwar, Dawn are just some of the many iconic films they've written, and dialogues of their movies are remembered and quoted by people even today.
तेरा क्या होगा कालिया?
While they both started off from scratch, their writing prowess combined with their rebellious attitude and India's socio-political scenario in the 70s set the stage up for them.
In all honesty, one must accept that there were multiple reasons at that. One, of course, we were extremely young.
right.
He was in his 30s, I was in my 20s when we did all this work.
Prior to them entering the industry, movies were mainly romantic or social message or welfare driven. Now the Bollywood movie hero till now was a clean, righteous and revered person. He had to portray the image of an ideal man in the society. But Salim Javed changed that with Amitabh Bachchan and coined a term called the angry young man, a term still popular amongst the public. They wrote the protagonist as daring and badass with his flaws. This created a certain relatability factor and was something fresh, something the audience had never seen before. And now the audience came to watch a hero not to revere him as the ideal man, but to relate to him for a sense of escapism.
जो धर्मेंद्र ऑलरेडी खरीद चुके थे, 9,000 रुपए दिए थे उन्होंने सलीम साहब.
वो जंजीर थी?
जंजीर.
अच्छा.
फिर हमने दोनों ने मिलके उसका स्क्रीन प्ले साथ में बनाया, और प्रकाश मेहरा रीजनेबली सक्सेसफुल डायरेक्टर थे. दिस वाज द फिल्म दैट ही वाज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस. और इस बार हमने बहुत बड़ी प्राइज ले ली थी. स्टोरी, स्क्रीन प्ले, डायलॉग पहली दफा लेकर आए थे, और ये उस वक्त हमने अनप्रेसिडेंटेड प्राइस में बेची. 55,000.
55,000. उस टाइम स्टार्स तो ज्यादा लेते होंगे, लेकिन बट फिर भी फॉर राइटर्स दिस वाज लाइक,
मतलब 1 लाख रुपए लेने वाला कोई राइटर
थे.
वो सब हजार में ही थे सब.
The success caught on and soon it led to this one event. So Salim Javed went to Yash Chopra with the script of Diwar. Yash Chopra loved it and was very keen on buying it, and Salim Javed quoted a price of 1 lakh. Now to put things into perspective here, the lead hero, the superstar back then, charged about 5 lakhs. So this amount for a writer was unprecedented, unheard of. In today's time, think of it as Shah Rukh Khan charging 150 crores for a film and a writer getting paid 30 crores. It's absolutely impossible for us to even imagine this. So Yash Chopra heard the price and laughed and turned them down. They stood their ground and didn't flinch on the price. Now a couple of years passed by and they wrote super hit after super hit. So Yash Chopra went back to them and said, "Hey, that script narrated to me for 1 lakh. Do you still have it?" And they said, "Yes, we do." So Yash Chopra said, "Alright, you know what? I'd like to buy that for 1 lakh rupees." And to this, Salim Javed said, "There's a small change though. Its price isn't 1 lakh anymore. It's 3 lakhs. And guess what? Yash Chopra then went ahead and paid them 3 lakhs for that very same script. And the rest is history. Diwar went on to shatter records and has since become one of the most iconic Bollywood movies with arguably the most popular Bollywood dialogue of all time.
मेरे पास माँ है.
I met a very big producer, again no names, and now he is not in this world, so it will be even more unfair to take his name. And he said, यार तुम लोग मेरे को एक स्टोरी दो ना. मैंने कहा सर वो क्या है कि after giving 4 hits in a row, we had no work. For 9 months we had no film, because we had decided that we will take 2 lakhs. Now 2 lakhs is like today a writer deciding 20 crores. So we had decided we will take 2 lakhs.
Right.
So I said, sir, you will not agree on a price, that's the problem. He said, पैसा is not a problem. मेरे को तुम स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी जो पसंद आए. तो मैं उनके ऑफिस गया, कहने हाँ सुनाओ. मैं सर मैं सुना दूंगा, पहले आप प्राइस सुन लीजिए. इसलिए कि आपको स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगेगी, तो आप कहेंगे पैसा इसलिए मांग रहा है कि मुझे पसंद आ गई।
Right.
तो पहले सुन लीजिए, स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आए तो दीजिएगा, वरना ना दीजिएगा, हमको एडवांस थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं आप।
करेक्ट।
हाँ बोलो क्या प्राइस? तो मैंने कहा 2 लाख। So there was pin drop silence in the room for a while. Then he pressed the bell, ding, 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 and he was serious, sitting quietly without expression. So his peon entered, and he named his partner, who used to be in the same office. उसको बुलाना जरा, अरे जाके बुला के लाओ, जल्दी काम है। So the door opened, and he was rather preoccupied. हाँ बोल, क्या बात है? तो इसे ठहर, ए ये तुम मेरे को बोला था, इसको भी तो बोल।
After this, there was no looking back. They were so powerful and so respected that at their peak, they would charge as much or more than the lead actor and also have a strong say in the casting for the movies they've written.
अमिताभ बच्चन की प्राइस बताई कि उसको भी साइन कर लिया। तो हमने कहा कि उनको कितना दिया है, तो जो भी उन्होंने रकम बताई उसका कहा कि इससे 50,000 ज़्यादा दे देना। समझ आप? तो उसने हाथ मिला लिया इमीडिएटली, मतलब कोई उसका ताज्जुब नहीं हुआ। हाँ।
While all this should have set the stage for writers in India, unfortunately, the position of writers in the industry since has been pitiful. Writers have been paid poorly, not heard, treated poorly, sidelined, and oftentimes not even credited in films. While today, things are still getting better, they're still far from where they should be.
Why writers should be paid? Suppose a film's budget is 20 crore. Why writers should be paid 2 crore or 1 crore even? 2 घंटे की फिल्म है, कितना काम किया होगा? 6 महीने, 9 महीने, 1 साल. It's obscene money. This is their argument. But the truth is, why we deserve this much money is, we write 20 scripts. उसमें से 19 बनती नहीं है, 1 बनती है. So our average is less than an LIC officer's monthly payment.
Even an established top-of-the-line writer today cannot command even 5% of what the lead actor makes. And today the condition is far better than what it was back in the 90s and early 2000s. And this is ironic considering the script is the heart and soul of the movie and can really drive it to be a hit or a flop. A big name bolsters a good script, but we've seen innumerable bad films of the biggest stars flop because ultimately even the biggest actor, director, producer out there needs a good script. Now the industry understands this but does not value it. This has therefore created a situation in the industry where you barely have a handful of good films that come out every year, and most of the ones that do are either just badly written or remakes of South Indian, Hollywood or Korean films. Bollywood over time has been losing its originality, and this won't change until it begins to value and appreciate its writers. Do let me know what your thoughts are on the status and condition of writers in the country today. I'd be happy to chat about this, and please go ahead and drop in your comments as well. Till then, thanks a lot for stopping by, and please go ahead and like and share the video if you thought it was interesting, and I'll be seeing you very soon.
और एक बात और भी है, आपको एक बात बताऊं, बहुत सिंपल बात है, पैसे हाँ बोलने के नहीं मिलते हैं, पैसे ना बोलने के मिलते हैं।